We all love WordPress, but one frustrating thing with the platform out of the box is having to deal with large number of comment spam. No matter what type of blog your business runs, you will have to figure out or come up with a strategy on how to stop WordPress comment spam at some point. Because too much comment spam will harm your website as well. It can affect your search engine rankings, will affect the credibility of your discussion among legitimate commenters. So, how you are going to stop the comment spam? Today in this video, I'm your friend Rahul going to tell you how you can disable WordPress comments permanently. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Let's get started. There are 7 ways to stop WordPress spam comments within the built-in features of WordPress. First way is completely disable the comments. Second way is to turn off anonymous comments. Third way is enable comments moderation. Fourth way is only allow comments from logged in users. And fifth way is create a list of blacklisted words. Sixth is reduce or ban links in comments as well. Seventh, but not the least, is disable comments for individual posts. In this video, I am going to tell you all these 7 ways. Let's get started with the first one. The first option you have to simply disable comments altogether. One of the easiest ways to do is simply uncheck the allow people post comments on new article option, which is located under settings, then go to discussion. To disable comments entirely, go to the default post settings section at the top of the discussion settings screen and uncheck the options. This will turn off the comments on all new posts. You can turn off the pingbacks too. Note that commenting is not turned off for the post that you have already published. If you want to turn off these, then you need to go for each post individually. We will show you how to do this shortly. Once you uncheck this box, don't forget to scroll down at the bottom of the screen and hit the Save Changes button. All the comments will be disabled now. Another option you have is to turn off anonymous comments. If anonymous comments are enabled, they won't be required. This instantly opens up your website to a lot of spam bots that constantly crawl comments forms on websites. To disable anonymous comments in WordPress, simply check the comment author must fill name and email option under setting, then go to discussion. This option will make harder for the bots to automated comment system, but not impossible. It might also discourage people from leaving malicious comments or trolling your website. Your next option is to stop the WordPress comment is by using enable comment moderation option. For that, you need to go to the email me whenever and the before a comment appears sections. If you want to moderate all comments, then check comment must be manually approved. If you want to moderate comments from new commenters, then check comment author must have a previously approved comment. To receive an email when a comment is held for moderation, check the email me whenever a comment is held for moderation option. The fourth way from the list is if you want to only allow comments from the logged in users. To do this, go to the other comment settings section. Check the users must be registered and logged into the comment section. Next in the list is you can also block comments with the help of blacklisted words. If you want to create the list of blacklisted words, then go to the comment blacklist field and type the blacklisted words or phrases one per line. They don't have to be limited to the words. They can include email address, website URLs, IP addresses, or anything you want to include. Second last from the list is you can reduce or ban links in the comments as well. Because their purpose is to drive traffic to the spammer's website. You can ban comments with the links entirely or reduce the number of links allowed in a comment. In a comment moderation section, select the number of links a comment needs or it is held for moderation. To allow one link, use two, or to prevent any comments with the links, select one. Alternatively, select a higher number if you want to allow comments with more than one link. Last method from the list is disable comments for individual posts. If you want to disable comments for the posts which are already published, then you have to go to the post and then find the post you want to edit and click on the name to open the post on the edit screen. In the document pane on the right side, scroll down to the discussion tab and open it. Uncheck allow comments to disable comments on that post. Save the changes that you made to the post by clicking the update button, and comments will no longer be displayed or enabled on that post. There are several WordPress spam comments plugin as well in the list. Some of the big names are: first is Akismate, second is Disable Comments, and third one is Anti-Spam Bee. That's all guys. If you use one of these methods to stop WordPress comment spam, you will make sure your website is more secure and improve the credibility and performance of your website. Thanks guys. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for the next videos.